gentlemen, I want to say wonderful good morning to you all. I hope we all are up and grateful. I go by the name International High Banger. I want to lament on a particular thing this Valentine, this coming Valentine, you know. It's strictly on people that got the booty. If you don't get booty, no Valentine for you. Normally, when they say small nash 5,000, big nash 10,000. Sister, you get why? Two of them know they do the same thing. Though normally, overthinking know the sub problem, no cause stress. If you get nash, you shake for your boyfriend. If you don't get nash, still shake it for your boyfriend. He will like it. Hello. Nanyashi we bigo, we dey call it keke. If you no get nash, show no Valentine for you. Yes, I want to cause trouble, but most of the time, these girls won't even get nash, and then they want trouble for us. I dey tell you, because you know, say people will get nash, they're rare. Not everybody get nash. If you get hip, you know they get nash. Get, I mean the man flesh of that nash. You know, hip they different from the man flesh of that nash. You understand? Because they stress and just they frustrate us. You understand? So this time around, this Valentine, if you don't get nash, my sister, nothing for you. No ask why you. No just stress, no ask why.